Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix full inventory in Plant versus Brainrot game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already joined the game, and usually when we have reached maximum inventory, it will say full inventory, and I'm going to give you tips to fix the problem. So guys, you can go to your inventory, and here you can activate the autosell feature, and you can select your brainrot rarities to sell, and I'm going to choose the daily's brainrot. Okay, it's not that rare, so my daily's brainrot will be automatically sold. Okay, you can also choose based on the mutation. I'm going to select normal. Okay, just activate the auto sell like this, and yeah, your brain rots will be automatically sold, and it will help you to fix your full inventory in Plant versus brain rot game of Roblox. Okay guys, and that's how you can fix full inventory in Plant versus Brainrot game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!